Rainbow fish, look what I found, a real nest. Let's go inside and make an edible one. Let's go. Today's recipe includes butter, pretzels, and chocolate chips. First we have the butter, and we're gonna cut the butter in a square like this, and we're gonna put the butter into the chocolate chips. Then we're gonna take the mixture and put it in a microwavable bowl. Next, we're gonna put our mixture into the microwave for 35 seconds. It's ready. Oh, this looks delicious. Look at this, boys and girls. Okay, now we're gonna take the pretzels and combine them with the melted butter and chocolate. And the chocolate should make the pretzels stick together. Let's see what happens. We have to stir it and get the chocolate onto the pretzels, so we'll make it really delicious. Now it's time to craft our nest. We're gonna take 2 spoons and put them into the plate, in the middle of the plate. Finally, we're gonna shape it into a circle. Just like that. That's how we make an edible nest. Ah!